the wall, the hurl, a stick in the shinty bowl, the brick, the brack, the crack, and all. Let's call it an Irish pub. Caffrey's hard, Kilkenny, a pub, the Guinness, pint, the cabbage, crack, the idle wanna be paddy track. We'll call it an Irish pub. While all be fucked, to swear upon the holy book, the only crack you'll get is a slap in the air. While all be fucked, they'll often burst your filthy mug if you draw one more shamrock in me beer. Rise the price of beer, $1 will make you wear a shirt and colour with fire, bloody tri-colour and colour an Irish pub. Jaeger bombs and double shots, the underagers think it's toss. We spike the drinks and pay the cost, we got us an Irish pub. The quick one in the filthy dog, the pattern glass across the lug of the lady, oh the dirty dog, we got us an Irish pub. It's over to me, we'll skip along the avenue. Who the hell is running through? We got us an Irish pub. While all big folk to swear upon the holy book, the only crack you get is a slap in the ear. While all big folk to lock and burst your filthy mug if you draw one more shamrock in me beer. Plasma screens, neon lights, carry fog and alky nights. The bouncers they can pick the fights, we'll call it an Irish pub. Plastic cups and boys for all, we'll hose the blood right out the door and let them knock. We're back for more, we got us an Irish pub. While all be fucked, to swear upon the holy book, the only crack you'll get is a slap in the ear. While all be fucked, they'll up and burst your filthy mug if you draw one more shamrock in me beer. Top of the morning, Gary on, kiss me, I'm Irish. Molly Malone, the phone, just lunch, punk my home. We got us an Irish pub. Let's split the punches, strip the willows, strike me up the rakes. And Malone and Liffey never ran so shallow. We got us an Irish pub. While all big folk to swear upon the holy book, the only crack you get is a slap in the ear. While all